Hi, I'm Joe, and once again, you're in Joe's Kitchen. And today we're going to put together something that we use to make other dishes with, and we're going to go through that whole process in just a moment. Stay with us.
We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, and eat. We're gonna eat, and eat. We're gonna eat, and eat. Welcome to Joe's Kitchen, yeah, we're gonna eat. That's right. We're gonna eat, and eat. 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 Welcome to Joe's Kitchen, yeah, we're gonna eat. Oh yeah.
If you've seen some of my earlier videos on different food items that we've prepared, one of the items included something called, had jerk seasoning in it. And I prepared my own version of jerk seasoning, which I call U-Jerk seasoning. I'm gonna try to do a separate video on that in the future, and I'll have the ingredients listed with that as well. But today we're doing something a little different than jerk seasoning. We're gonna do Cajun seasoning, Joe style. It's very similar to a lot of other Cajun recipes you'll hear. Of course, it has a lot to do with peppers and heat and all that. So we're just gonna go through it. I'm gonna put it all together for you. These are the ingredients. And so let's get those out of the way so you can see what I have here. Now, I wanted to have everything in a separate bowl, but because I just made a mistake, I put two things in one bowl. So we have 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Now, you can adjust both the cayenne pepper and the black pepper in this recipe to your heat likeness, but I like it hot, and I may, after tasting this, may decide to kick it up even more. And we're going to take 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder. We got 1 tablespoon of the Lawrys seasoned salt, which has a lot of good things in it. We've got 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper. We've got a half a tablespoon of thyme. And it's just a little less than a half a tablespoon because I ran out of time. It's a joke. Half a tablespoon of oregano. And then, again, to your liking, I got a half tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Actually, it's more like 3/4 of a tablespoon of cracked red pepper. And we're going to combine that very thoroughly to make our first ever Joe's Cajun seasoning. And I'm going to use that today. I'm actually going to make some wings with it. I'm going to marinate some wings with it, salad oil, olive oil, and the seasoning. And it's going to marinate for overnight, basically. And I'm going to have wings with my ball game tomorrow. The Buccaneers are playing for the playoffs. Last game of the regular season. If they win, they're in. If they don't, they're out. And they're playing the Carolina Panthers. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you like it. Comment, like, share, all that kind of stuff. And, stay tuned to other videos. And until then, enjoy food.
We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat, and eat. We're gonna eat, and eat. We're gonna eat, and eat. Welcome to Joe's Kitchen, yeah, we're gonna eat. That's right.